This is our new topic, the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. The act to provide the termination of certain pregnancies by registered medical practitioners and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto, be it enacted by Parliament in the 22nd year of the Republic of India as follows. 1. This act may be called the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, through it extends to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It shall come into force on such date as the central government may, by notification in the official gazette, appoint in this act, unless the context otherwise requires. Guardian means a person having the care of the person of a minor or a lunatic. Lunatic has the meaning assigned to it in Section 3 of Indian Lunacy Act 1912. Minor means person who, under the provisions of the Indian Majority Act 1975, is to be deemed not to have attained his majority. Registered medical practitioner means a medical practitioner who possesses any recognized medical qualification as defined in clause H of the Section 2 of the Indian Medical Council Act 1957, whose name has been entered in state medical register and whose name entered in the medical register and who has such experience of training in gynecology and obstetrics as may be prescribed by rules made under this act. Notwithstanding anything contained in the Indian Penal Code, a registered medical practitioner shall not be guilty of any offence under the code or under any other law for the time being in force if any pregnancy is terminated by him in the accordance with the provision of this act. Subject to the previous subsection, a pregnancy may be terminated by a registered medical practitioner where the length of the pregnancy does not exceed 12 weeks. If such medical practitioners is or be where the length of the pregnancy exceeds 12 weeks but does not exceed 20 weeks, if not less than two registered medical practitioners are of opinion formed in good faith that the continuance of the pregnancy would involve a risk of the life of the pregnancy woman or of grave injury of her physical or mental health, or there is a substantial risk that if the child were born, it would suffer from such physical or mental abnormalities as to be seriously handicapped, where any pregnancy is alleged by the pregnant woman to have been caused by rape, anguish caused by such pregnancy shall be presumed to constitute a grave injury to the mental health of the pregnant woman. Explanation second, where any pregnancy occurs as a result of failure of any device or method used by any married woman of her husband for the purpose of limiting the number of children, the anguish caused by such unwanted pregnancy may be presumed to constitute a grave injury to the mental health of the pregnant woman. In determining whether the continuance of pregnancy would involve such risk of injury to the health as it mentioned in subsector, account may be taken of the pregnant woman's actual or reasonable foreseeable environment. No pregnancy of a woman who has not attained the age of 18 years or who having attained the age of 18 years is a lunatic shall be terminated except with the consent in writing of her guardian save or otherwise provided in clause no pregnancy shall be terminated except with the consent of the pregnant woman. No termination of the pregnancy shall be made in accordance with the Act at any place other than a hospital established or maintained by government or a place for the time which being approved for the purpose of this Act by government, the provision of section 4 and so much of the provision of subsection 2 of section 3 as relate to the length of the pregnancy and the opinion of not less than two registered medical practitioners shall not apply to the termination of a pregnancy by a registered medical practitioner in case where he is of opinion formed in good faith that the termination of such pregnancy is immediately necessary to save the life of the pregnant woman, notwithstanding anything contained in the Indian Penal Code. The termination of pregnancy by a person who is not registered medical practitioner shall be an offence punishable under that code, and that code shall to this extent stand modified. For the purpose of this section, so much of provision of clause of section 2 as relate to the possession by a registered medical practitioner of experience or training in gynecology and obstetrics shall not apply. The central government may by notification in the official gazette make rules to carry out the provisions of this act in particular and without prejudice to the generality of the foregoing powers. Such rules may provide for all or any of the following matters, namely the experience or training or both, which a registered medical practitioner shall have if he intends to terminate any pregnancy under this act, and 3. such other matters as are required to be or may be provided by rules made under this Act. Every rule made by the central government under this Act shall be laid as soon as may be after it is made before each House of Parliament while it is in session for a total period of 30 days, which may be comprised in one session or in two successive sessions, and if before the expiry of the session in which it is so laid or the session immediately following, both Houses agree in making any modification in the rule or both Houses agree that the rule should not be made, the rule shall thereafter have effect only in such modified form or be of no effect as the case may be. So, however, that any such modification or annulment shall be without prejudice to the validity of anything previously done under that rules. The state government may be regulations require any such opinion as if is referred to in subsection 2 of section 3 to be certified by a registered medical practitioner or practitioners concerned in such form and at such time as may be specified in such regulations, and the preservation or disposal of such certificates requires any registered medical practitioner who terminates a pregnancy to give intimation of such termination and such other information relating to the termination as may be specified in the regulations. Prohibit the disclosure except to such person and for such purposes as may be specified in such regulations of intimations given or information furnished in pursuance of such regulations. The intimation given and the information furnished in pursuance of regulations made by virtue of clause B of subsection 1 shall be given or furnished as the case may be to the chief medical officer of the state. Any person who wilfully contravenes or wilfully fails to comply with the requirements of any regulation made under subsection shall be liable to be punished with fine which may extend to 1,000 rupee. No suit or other legal proceedings shall lie against the registered medical practitioner for any damage caused or likely to be caused by anything which is in good faith done or intended to be done under this Act. Ministry of Health and Family Planning, Department of Family Planning, New Delhi, the October 1975 GSR 2543, in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 6 of the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, 34 of the 1971, the central government hereby makes the following rule, namely short title and commencement. These rules may be called the medical termination of pregnancy rule 1975. They shall come into force on the date of their publication in the official gazette. Definitions: in these rules, unless the contest otherwise require act means the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, 34 of 1971, Chief Medical Officer of the district means the Chief Medical Officer of a district by whatever name called. Form means a form appended to these rules. Owner in relation to a place means any person who is administrative head or otherwise responsible for the working or maintenance of such hospital or clinic by whatever name called. Place means such building, tent, vehicle or vessel or part thereof as is used for the establishment or maintenance therein of a hospital or clinic which is used or intended to be used for the termination of pregnancy. Section means a section of the act. For the purpose of clause section 2, a registered medical practitioner shall have one or more of the following experience or training in gynecology and obstetrics, namely, in the case of a medical practitioner who was registered in state medical register, following experience or training gynecology medical register immediately before the commencement of the act, experience in the practice of the gynecology and obstetrics for a period of not less than 3 years. In the case of a medical practitioner who was registered in a state register on or after the date of commencement of the act, if he has completed 6 months of house surgency and gynecology and obstetrics, or unless the following facility are provided therein, if he had experience of any hospital for a period of less than 1 year in the practice of obstetrics and gynecology, if he has assisted registered medical practitioner in the performance of 25 cases of medical termination of pregnancy in a hospital, 5 established of or maintained a training institute approved, who has been registered in the state medical register and who holds a postgraduate degree or diploma in gynecology such obstetrics, the experience or training gained during the course of such degree and diploma. Approval of a place. No place shall be approved under Clause B of Section 4 unless the government is satisfied the termination of pregnancies may be done therein under safe and hygienic conditions. May be done therein under safe and hygienic conditions unless the following facilities are provided therein, namely an operation table and instrument for performing abdominal or gynecological surgery, anesthetic equipment, resuscitation equipment, and sterilization equipment, drugs and parenteral fluids for emergency use. Every application for approval of place shall be in the form of application referred in sub-rule. The chief medical officer of the district shall verify or inquiry any information contained in any such application or inspect any such place with a view to satisfy himself that the facility referred to be in sub-rule are provided therein and that termination of pregnancy may be made therein under safe and hygienic conditions. Every owner of the place which is inspected by the medical officer of the district shall afford all reasonable facilities for the inspection of the place. The chief medical officer of the district may, if he is satisfied after such verification, inquiry, or inspection as may be considered necessary, that termination of pregnancy may be done under safe and hygienic conditions to the place recommended. The approval of such place and the recommendations of such chief medical officer of the district approve such place and issue a certificate to approval in Form B. The certificate to be easily visible. Certificate assured the government shall be conspicuously displayed at the place to be easily visible to the person visiting the place. Inspection of a place approved under Rule 4 may be inspected by the Chief Medical Officer of the district as often as may be necessary with a view to verify whether termination of pregnancy is being done therein under safe and hygienic conditions. If the medical officer has reason to believe that there has been death of or injury to a pregnant woman at the place or the termination of pregnancy is not being done at the place under safe and hygienic conditions, he may call for any information or may seize any article, medicine, ample, admission register, or other document maintained, kept, or found at the place. The provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 relating to seizure shall, so far as may be, apply to seizure under sub-rule 2, cancellation or suspension of medical certificate of approval. If after inspection of any place approved under the Rule 4, the Chief Medical Officer of the district is satisfied that the facility specified in Rule 4 are not being properly maintained therein and the termination of pregnancy at such place cannot be made under safe and hygienic conditions. The provision of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 2 of 1974 relating the seizure shall, so far as may be, apply to seizure made under sub-rule, cancellation or suspension of certificate of approval if after inspection of any place approved under Rule 4 the Chief Medical Officer. The Chief Medical Officer, if after inspection any place, the Chief Medical Officer of the district is satisfied that the facilities specified in Rule 4 are not be properly maintained therein and the termination of pregnancy act, such place cannot be made under safe and hygienic condition. He shall make a report of the fact to the government giving the detail of the deficiencies or defects found at the place. On receipt of the such report, the government may, after giving the owner of the place a reasonable opportunity to being heard, either cancel the certificate of approval or suspend the same for such period as it may think fit. Where a certificate issued under Rule 4 is cancelled or suspended, the owner of the place may make such conditions of improvement in the place as he may think fit, and thereafter he may make an application to the government for the issue of him of a fresh certificate or approval under Rule 4, or as the case may be, for the revival of the certificate which was suspended under Sub-Rule 1(3) provision of Rule 4, shall as far as may be may apply to any application for the issue of the fresh certificate of approval in relation to a place, or as the case may be for the revival of the suspended, as they apply to an application for the issue of a certificate of approval under that rule. In the event of suspension of the certificate of approval, or the place shall not be deemed to be an approved place for the purpose of termination of pregnancy from the date of communication of the order of such suspension. Review: the owner of the place who is aggrieved by an order made under Rule 6 may make an application for review of the order to the government within a period of 60 days from the date of such order. The government may, after giving the owner an opportunity of being heard, confirm, modify, or reverse the order. Form of consent: the consent referred in a subsection of Section 3 shall be given. Form C. Repeal and saving the medical termination of pregnancy rule. Form A. See sub-rule 2 of Rule 4. Form of application for the approval of a place under the clause of Section 4. Name of the place, address in full, non-government private nursing home, other institution for state if the following facility are available at the place: an operation table and internet of performance, abdominal and gynecological surgery, drugs and parental fluid in sufficient supply, in emergency cases, anesthetic equipment, resuscitation equipment and sterilization equipment, place, date, signature of owner of the place, strike on whichever is not applicable. Form B. See sub-rule 6 of Rule 4 Certificate of Approval. The place described below is hereby approved for the purpose of the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. Name of the place, address, and other description. Name of the owner place. Date to the government of the state. Form C. Daughter, wife, about is a statement. Consent, minor is not. Signature of joint secretary. There are some forms. Please see thoroughly. The October 19 exercise of the powers conferred by Section 7 of the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, 34 of 1971, the central government hereby makes the following regulation, rules, short title, extent and commencement. These regulations may be called the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Regulations. The extent of the Union Territory. They shall come into force. There is a medical application, regulations and consent otherwise requires act means the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act. Admission register means the register maintained under Regulation 5. Forms of certifying opinion. Here one registered medical practitioner. Forms are not less than two registered medical practitioners. Form such opinion as if is referred to in such subsection of section 3 or 5. Here are to be noted then she shall be certified such opinion from every registered custody of forms the consent given by a pregnant woman for the termination of the pregnancy together with the intimation of termination of pregnancy shall be placed in an envelope which shall be intimated Termination of pregnancy shall be placed in envelope which shall be created by the chief medical officer of the state. It shall be kept in the sale custody of the recognition concerned registered medical practitioner. On every envelope referred to in sub-regulation pertaining to the termination of the pregnancy under Section 3, there shall be noted the serial number assigned to the pregnant woman in the admission register and the name of the registered medical practitioner or practitioners by whom the pregnancy was terminated, and such envelope shall be secret marked secret. Every envelope referred to its sub-regulations shall be sent immediately after the termination of the pregnancy to the head of the hospital or owner by of the approval place shall send to the chief medical officer on receipt of the envelopes of the sub-regulation. The head of the hospital or owner of the approved place shall arrange to keep the name of in safe custody, the column pertaining to the hospital or approved place, and the serial number assigned to the pregnant woman in the admission registered shall be maintained in the case of the consent of pregnant woman. The termination of an approval of the shall be followed. Maintenance of admission register. Every head of the hospital or owner of the approved place shall maintain a register in Form 3rd for recording therein the admission of for women for the termination of their pregnancy. The entries in the admission register shall be made serially, and a fresh serial shall be started at the commencement of the each calendar year, and the serial number of the particular year shall be distinguished from the serial number of the particular years of by maintaining in the year against the serial number. For example, serial number 5 of 1972 and the serial number 5 of 1973 shall be mentioned as 5 slash 1972 and 5 slash 1973. The admission registered shall be a secret document, and the information contained therein as to the name of and other particulars of the pregnant woman shall not be disclosed to any person. Admission registered not to be open to inspection. The admission register shall be kept in the safe custody of the head of the hospital or owner of the approved place, or by any person authorized by such head or owner, and save as otherwise provided in sub-regulations of regulations 4 shall not be opened to inspection by any person except under the authority of the in the case of department of other inquiry, the chief secretary of the government of union territory. In the case of an investigation into an offence, magistrate of the first class within a local limit for whose jurisdiction the hospital or approved place is situated. In the case of suit or other action for the damage